As a professional cabinet installer, a lot of the times I'm doing cabinet installing and I gotta move pipes for plumbing and stuff like that. So I decided to get some pinch pliers, a whole set that it has small one, medium, and a large one. So a lot of the times I'm moving the dishwasher or the garbage disposal and the hose is really hard to grab with your hands. So this is a perfect tool to use for that situation. So this has a good release. You press on it right there and it moves like that. And then you press on it and it holds it like that. So this is also used for mechanics to pinch the hoses where they're too hot and you want to hold them, pull them out of the car. For example, if I'm doing some plumbing or I'm doing gardening and I want to hold the water pressure, it's just really tight in there. If I was doing some landscape or gardening, you could pinch the hose and then you can repair it. So if you think this is not strong enough, you could grab a second one, a bigger one, and you could put it in there and press it all the way down, which is bigger, and I'll clamp it in there. So this will guarantee to stop the water flow. So if you could do this on the water, you could do this on your vehicle to stop the water on the radiator hose. Or you could pull your hoses when they're too hot. You could pull them because sometimes they get stuck and you can't pull them easy and they're too hot. So with the plier pincher, you can pull them out completely.
How do you take them off?
And then to remove them, you just pull here and it releases and it locks, and then you just pull it here. The same thing with this one. Just pull it here and then let it go.